Hello everyone and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. So need to return a payment or get your money back for a bad purchase? This year PayPal's refund system is faster than ever, and I'm going to show you the exact steps to issue a refund as a seller and how to trigger a refund request if you're the buyer. Alright, and if you're a seller, giving money back is simple. So just log in and go to your activity tab right here and find the transaction and then click issue a refund. And you can choose a full or partial refund. And also this year PayPal does not charge you a fee to issue a refund, but keep in mind they typically don't return the original transaction fee you paid when you first received the money. Okay, and now if you're the buyer, you can't just take your money back. So firstly, you go to Activity, select the payment, and use the Contact Seller info to ask them directly. If they don't respond within the standard 3-day window, go to Resolution Center and click Report a Problem. So you go to Help, then you go to Resolution Center here, and in here you can start reporting. So also, where's the money? So in this here, use the refund tracker once again in your activity log right here. And if it's a PayPal balance refund, it's going to be instant. Bank account usually 3 to 5 days, and credit or debit card may take up to 30 days depending on your bank. And this is the 2026 way to handle PayPal refunds. If this guide helped, hit subscribe and like the video.